Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and opening Wi-Fi settings. This avoids wasted steps. Make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on and the phone is unlocked so you can change options immediately. Once in Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Wi-Fi, identify the network you use most often. Note its SSID and signal level. This matters because the exact network profile often contains the auto-off triggers you'll change next, and knowing the network prevents editing the wrong entry. Next, go into the Connected Networks Manage or Advanced section to adjust sleep policies and optimizations. Change Keep Wi-Fi on during sleep to always so the system won't turn radio off when idle. This prevents app failures and delayed notifications. Then, disable Wi-Fi scanning optimization and remove battery optimization for the Wi-Fi system app or the specific app affected. These settings stop aggressive power saving from killing connections, and they explain why the phone previously turned Wi-Fi off unexpectedly. Finish by forcing a fresh connection. Forget the network, restart your phone, then reconnect using the correct password to refresh DHCP and saved profiles. If the problem continues, perform a network reset via Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears corrupt profiles. Make sure the router is stable, install any Android updates, and if needed, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps one by one until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.